I would like to note that what the UNDP has been undertaking is at the very heart of how we would like to pursue biodiversity management, climate change adaptation, and resilience building.
Youth being at the forefront of addressing this challenge and making a difference in ensuring that the innovations we are advancing benefit local communities.
UNDP grant or AFCIA grant has been a boon for us.
They offer us trainings. They have been quite active listeners.
From financing to building capacity for the NGO and many more support is what was provided by UNDP.
Capacity building, enhancing more new knowledge, and also providing opportunity for the community to come together.
Allowed us to create a complete legal and capital structure for looking at blended finance.
They actually supported everything. I mean, this is all about AFCIA. What we're doing is all about AFCIA.
We see a lot of entrepreneurship development when we invest in the communities, when we invest in livelihoods, when we invest in the economies. The resilience we build lasts. I want to congratulate all the successes in this room and wish you all a lot of success.